So you guys tell me what you think in the comment section. Are the Wizards better off without John Wall or with them on the team, because they went on a 3-game winning streak without him? And it seems Marcin Gortat, he kind of threw some shots at John Wall. He said, great team win tonight, when they got their first win without John Wall because he was having surgery. And John Wall responded to all of that, and here's what he said.
The way he put the team in the exclamation points, and I'm like, whoa. And it was more just shocking to hear from him and understanding that he gets the most assists from me and the most spoon-fed baskets ever.
Now people thought Marcin Gortat, he was throwing shots at John Wall because all of a sudden, we don't got John Wall and we're winning. And then John Wall responded. So John Wall said Marcin Gortat gets the most spoon-fed buckets. I mean, it's true. Whenever Marcin Gortat scores, it's mostly coming off a pass from John Wall. Clearly, they were trying to say that John Wall doesn't pass the ball and he's not a team player. But then again, last time I checked, he averages about 10 assists a game. Only thing about John Wall that wasn't right this season was he wasn't as explosive. He wasn't really attacking the paint because he needed surgery. He was playing through pain. So the Wizards, they were losing. But now without John Wall, the Wizards, they've been winning. Now this game right here, they didn't win, but they went on a 3-game winning streak without John Wall, I believe so. And John Wall said,
like I said, if any guys have a problem with me, they can talk to me face to face as a man. And if you can't do that, then I lose a lot of respect for you.
John Wall, he's calling out his teammates. If y'all got a problem with me, come talk to me. But then again, the Wizards, they've been playing great without John Wall. So I don't know, it's probably because John Wall and Bradley Beal, they don't really get along. Are the Wizards better off with John Wall or without him? And I'm out.